See, look at this. That's all the dew that's on my counters. I thought I was kidding. It's just like dew all over the place. And then outside, let's see, oh, there's the dog. There's little Nicky. There's my fan because I don't do AC, but it's starting. It's kind of bright out, but it's starting to get windy, which is good. It will clear the air out. You going out, Nick? Sick. Oh, it's starting to blow. I like this breeze. This is very. Go on, Nicky, go. Oh, the hawk's there again. Oh, he's over there. Oh, you can't see him. They come out in the rain. I think that's really cool. They used to do that by the railroad tracks. They would like swoop down because all the mice would come out from under the tracks in the rain. So yeah, he's looking for rabbits or something, but getting pretty windy. I like this. Oh, finally. Get rid of this humidity. Hear it? You hear the hawks? Oh, there it is. I think that was the Coopers. There's a Cooper hawk and a red. Oh, look at them. How cool. Whoa. Those are the two. So I've got two here now. And a huge family of crows, but I don't know where they are. They're probably in the trees someplace. Fighting with mobbing the whatchamacallit, the hawks. But look, oh my goodness. See the wind. Look at my peach tree. Look, it's huge. I got peaches on it too. I don't know how good they're gonna be. They're not ripe yet. But this tree, like, it was so little and now it's like huge ever since I took that tree down. So it gets all the sun now. But anyway, yeah. This is nice. I like this wind. As long as it doesn't get too windy. Where's Nick? There she is. Well, Nick. There she goes. Go on down. Go on down, baby. Look at her. Is she gorgeous or what? What a dog. What a beauty. Come on, baby girl. No, I guess not. She's going to stay up here. Yeah, it's blowing again. Yes, I'm taking a video of wind. How about that? They're crazy. Yeah, it still is pretty humid though. But it's pretty. Everything's nice and green. Just mowed my lawn. I had my lawn done yesterday. So everything looks kind of nice. I wish I had flowers, but I just didn't do any flowers this year. Or this summer. Anyway, I'm going to sit out here and watch everything blow in the wind. Okay. Where's Nick? Oh, there she is. Hi, Nick. She hates to have her picture taken. Come here, Nick. Look at you. Look at you. Nick, smile for the camera. She's not going to do it. Come here, Nicky. She's such a good girl. Anyway, I'm going to hang out here.